Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a broker to cTrader in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on cTrader.com in your web browser. You can also follow the same steps inside your cTrader mobile application or in the Windows application. So when you are here or cTrader.com, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply either create your account or log into your account if you already have one. Now over here you will see the brokers tab here on the top. So when you click on this particular section, you are going to see some of the top brokers that are integrated with cTrader. So you can choose any of these brokers from this list. If you want to see the full list, you can click on the option of load more, and it is going to show you the list of brokers that is available here. So you just have to simply select the open account option right next to that broker with the help of which you want to connect your cTrader account. Afterwards, you can sign up here with the help of your account, and inside it you can open your live account or a Google your demo account. So it is going to basically ask you whether you want to continue with cTrader, and when you select so, you will be redirected on this type of page. So as you can see, I've currently opened my Pepperstone demo account over here in cTrader. So the interface is going to look something like this. So as you can see, the URL is also ct.pepperstone.com. So that's how you can basically connect your broker to cTrader in 2026. Thank you.